What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Triple C's. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button and click that bell, turn on the notifications. All right, look, guys, we do have a short week this week. Had the holiday on Monday. Today, stocks inched higher. The markets inched up a little bit higher today, setting the tone for the rest of the week. All right, now tomorrow, all eyes are going to be on Nvidia aftermarket because their earnings are going to be released. Okay. Now, according to their estimates, guys, they are expected to bring in around $43 billion, which would be a 66% year-over-year increase, okay? And their EPS is expected to be 81 cents, which is a 36% year-over-year increase, okay? So if they smash all the numbers tomorrow, then that could push the markets even higher, okay? Now, with that being said, guys, here are the stocks that I want you to keep your eyes on for the rest of the week. All right, so first up on the list, guys, is Walmart, okay? Ticker symbol WMT. All right, y'all know this is one of my favorite stocks. I talk about Walmart all the time, and we made a lot of money off Walmart, okay? So I know they have the trade war and everything going on, but guys, even with all of that, ever since the beginning of those trade war talks and everything, Walmart has remained resilient and their price has even gone higher, okay? So the people who are in charge of running Walmart, guys, have been just doing a great job over the last few years, okay? I did a video a while back where I told you they made that pivot on their online retail side, okay? Because of the competition from the likes of Amazon and companies like that, okay? So they did a whole revamp of their online retail side. They started working with third-party vendors and everything, just like Amazon, and that really paid off. I did a video about that, and we saw their revenue ever since then, guys. They've just been going through the roof, and they've been rivaling Amazon ever since, okay? But they also, guys, I told you in another video as well about the fueling stations, okay? But they are now adding 45 more fueling stations to their arsenal, okay? And that's going to bring their total locations to 450 fueling stations, all right? So that is what Walmart has going on, okay? So we're going to look to capitalize on that, guys, because I believe it's going to go higher, even up to 104, okay? But let's look at the charts real quick so we can see where we believe this is going to go next. If we look at the chart, we can see that Walmart is currently at 97.58, okay? Now, at 97.58 right now, I actually like that price, okay? So even if I'm looking to just invest in the stock for long term, or if I'm looking to take a call option to ride it to the upside, I like it right now at 97.58. Or if it comes back down tomorrow, guys, and it'll likely come back down to the 95.88, I even like it there. So I like it from 95 up into the current price to 97.58 to get it at that price and ride it up to the upside, okay? Now, what's going to give us the indicator that it is definitely going back up to the upside, guys, is what we do is we come back and we look at this. What previous high did it just come back down from? Okay, it came down from the 99.3. All right. Now, if it breaks past this 99, guys, and goes to 100, then we know we're smooth selling to go all the way up to 104. Okay, because there's nothing in between there to stop it from going to the 104. Okay, so that's going to be our target. Okay, so if I'm looking to take a call option, guys, then I would make 104 my target. Okay, that would be my strike price. Now, I would do like a $20 to $25 stop loss. That'll be most I'm willing to lose on a play like this. But I would make 104 my strike price. All right, now, just a side note, for my option contract, guys, I am going to make sure that my expiration date is at least 2 to 3 or even 4 weeks out, okay? Because you always want to give yourself time to allow for your prediction to come through, since we're always ahead of the curve. And you want to give it time to work out any kinks or any unexpected news or anything like that comes up. You want to give your play enough time to work those things out, and then it can continue on the path that you know it's going to be on, okay? So I always take it 2 to 3 weeks out or even 4 weeks out, okay? And if we see it drop below the 95, guys, then we can look to also take a put option and ride it to the downside. All right, now, guys, the next stock up on my list is Google, aka Alphabet stock. All right, this is another one of our favorite stocks. All right, we made a lot of money off Google. Currently, it is sitting at 173.98. After hours, it did go up to 174. All right, now we're gonna ride this to our next target price. I do like it right here at 173 as well. But if I can get it lower, if it comes down a little bit tomorrow to around 165, I like to get it there. So anywhere from 165 to 173, I would like to hop in on it and ride it up to our next target price. But if it falls below the 165, guys, then I would consider taking a put option and taking advantage of the downside. All right, but I believe this is going to go higher tomorrow. Okay, so now let's take a look at the chart to see where we believe this is going to go next. All right, now guys, when we look at the chart, we can see that Google Alphabet Class C is currently sitting at 173.98. All right, now for my option trading guys and my day traders, we are going to be looking to ride this back up to 181.19. Okay, now it did touch 175 more recently, but it's pretty close to that now, so we believe it's going to blow past the 175. All right, now that is going to be our indicator. If it blows past the 175 and goes to 176, we know it's on and popping. Okay, and we're going to ride it all the way to 181. Okay, that is going to be our target price for our option contract and for my day trading guys. All right, and like I said, we're always looking to make a play on the downside as well. Okay, so if it comes below our lowest target, which is 165, and it starts dropping below that, then we're going to look to take a play to the downside with a put option. All right, now last thing guys, if you want to learn a skill guys that will change your life forever and nobody will ever be able to take it away from you, which is stock trading, then go over to Crazy Crypto Cliff and become a member guys, and you can have access to my training classes. Okay, I teach you step by step. Okay, so it's for beginners and anybody can learn from my training course. All right, I'll have the QR code up on the screen for you guys, and I'll have the link down in the description. All right, but that is all I have for you guys in this video. I will definitely see you in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined and let's get this money.